Ugh. Oh no. How do I get this stupid neck joint out of the head? Is there any chance for help? Have you ever had this problem in the past? Let me know in the comments below how you solved this problem. I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. My dear viewers, I got some complaints about that I was not showing how to get a neck joint out of the head. Now let's change this. I accept the challenge. This is the Barbie head you have already seen in my very first part. So she has the white neck joint in her head. And now let's make her a little bit soft to get this white thing out of the head. So we put her in the water. It's hot water, boiling hot. Let's leave her in there for a minute so that we can get a soft head. And now let's get the joint out of the head. By the way, she's a perfume pretty Barbie. And I push a little bit and we get the joint out. Now let's dry her overnight and then I'm going to show you how we put this back in her body tomorrow. So when you do this repair, you have two possibilities how to show you the body. You see we have a very thin breakage of the neck part here. We can let it as it is. We can just put the... Let me put it in there again. I put all three parts in my bowl with hot water to make it a little bit soft. So now let's take the body out. What I will do is put the head carefully back in there. You have seen there the tiny ribs. Now I take the head and I will put it back on. Now I have it back on. You hardly can see that there are any problems under the head now. So that's one thing we can do as a repair. So this is one possible option to repair it, but I have a second one for you. The second option works when you have a neck with a big broken piece, like this one here. Important, you have to keep the broken out piece and it should only be one piece. So we wrap the neck joint here in end paper to make sure that we can move it later on when it's back in the head. What we do here is melt the missing piece back in the neck. Yeah, you have heard correctly, we melt it back in with MEK. When you want to know what MEK is, it's a solvent. We sometimes use it here. It's a secret weapon for Barbie repairs. Let me give you the advice: when you use it, do it near an open window. It's not a product that you should use every day because it's very smelly. Then we reattach the missing piece and make sure that it is perfectly attached in its position, and we let it dry for at least 24 hours, no joke here. The MEK needs indeed 24 hours to dry completely. The reattachment of the head is the same procedure like I already showed you. In the first part of this video, use hot water, make the head a little bit soft and put it carefully back on the body. Let me show you the result here. Question of the day is: how many 70s, 80s and 90s dolls do you have with this old neck joint? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you have learned something in this little video. You now know how to fix a broken neck joint. Share, like and subscribe if you want to see more of these repair videos. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!